Hey guys, how's it going? Well, you guys want a cold start video? Here we go. It is very cold out this morning. I'm not even sure, and as you can see, this thing has not ran in a while. Look at the damn snowbank. Holy Christ. Of course, it's locked. Oh, nice. I love it. Okay, let's do a cold start on this thing. Dodge Cummins. Oh, I hate winter. Winter sucks. Let's see what, it's minus 11 out. US, it is 12 Fahrenheit. We'll let the glow plugs run for a few seconds, as you can see there. I'm gonna cycle them twice. There you go, cold start. Gotta love it, Cummins. Every time, just bang. There you go, guys. There's your cold start. Holy crap, it's cold. And it's protesting. Big time. Cold start 2016. Take care, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye-bye.